What is an alligator wearing a vest called? An investigator. Booyah! Hey guys, welcome back to my fitness channel. I'm super excited. Summer's coming. It's just around the corner. I'm super excited. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Coach Borchik. For those of you who have been joining me all along, guess what? I'm still Coach Borchik. Thanks so much for joining me today. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoy this workout. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna do a Tabata workout. We're gonna start off by getting warmed up. Let me get my watch ready with a 1 minute warm up, and then we're just gonna move our body for 1 minute, and then we have 30-second intervals with 10-second rests. Okay, so we're just marching in place. We're getting that body moving. Okay, awesome guys, great job. All right, so do some twisting. We've got it. Sorry for this one. Do some twisting. Throw in some punches. Don't punch your TV though, because that would not be fun for you or your family members or anybody else. All right, so we'll march back to marching, doing some static stretches. Cross the body, toe touches. And we're gonna bring it up. All right, first thing we're doing is we're gonna just jog in place. Try to keep those hips tucked underneath you. Jogging in place. And this one's it should be an easy workout for you guys. We're just taking it simple today. And if I'm going too hard, just do alternate versions of these exercises. All right, get ready to rest. Next up, we got squats. All right, we're still warming up those legs, and those legs moving. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can get a nice wide stance, knees pointing out, trying to tuck. You don't want your knees over your toes. You want to put your knees back. Keep going. A few more seconds. All right, we're resting. All right. Now we're going to do left leg reverse lunges. So I'm going to do the left leg out and going back. Great job, guys. You can just keep it there. We're just going back, up and down with that left leg for 30 seconds. Don't bang your knee on the floor. You want to make sure that just slightly above, maybe an inch or so, because you don't want to hurt your knee. Great job. All right, resting. We're going to do the right side. Now we were just doing that left leg, and we're going to go to the right leg, reverse lunge. Nice work, guys. If you want to put your hands on your thigh, you can do that. And see how I have my knee right above my toe? I'm not putting it over like that. I'm just going straight down. Ooh, I feel that burn. You feel it? Great job, guys. Keep going. All right. All right, next we're going to go down on the ground. We're going to do some sit-ups. Try to keep your feet flat on the ground if you can, and then we're gonna just lift up. Come on, all the way up. Don't put your hand on your neck. You can just put it across your chest, or I like to put them by my side. But we're trying to flex, straight up and over. stay here. We're gonna do bicycles. You can put your hands on your leg like this or up in the air. Alright, we're really working our core. It's like we're riding a bicycle, but we're inside. Try to get big motions with your feet. And try not to go down on your elbows. Keep them up so that your chest is up. Nice work. Here we go. Alright. Now we're going to flip over. Then we'll do push-up shoulder touches. Just touching that shoulder like this. Warming up our arms because the next one we're going to do is push-ups. Great work, guys. You're doing awesome. Stay with us. Alright. Okay. Relax those arms. Swing them out if you need to. Alright, we're doing push-ups. You can do push-ups on your knees or up on your toes. Here we go. Try to keep it nice and straight. I tend to curve and slant down, but you want a nice straight back. You don't want it up like that. Just nice and straight. Nice work, guys. All right. We are almost done. We are going to jog in place. This last one we're going to go for a minute. We're just kind of loosening up. If you want to do another workout, you can. Or this can be your cool down. If you want, check out some of those other videos that I have. If you like jogging in place like this, I've got tons of virtual runs that you might like. So check out those videos too. Got about 5 more seconds. Work, guys. If that is your last workout for today, then great job. If you got some more working out to do, then go ahead and click on the next video and get to working. But I just want to say thank you for joining me. And again, remember to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed this workout. Whew. Oh, but before we go, I got something in the mail I want to show you guys. Finally got it. I can officially cut my hair. My hair is getting a little bit long. It's getting in my face. So I'm going to, in my next video, show you guys me cutting my hair quarantine style. So check out that video when it comes out. Over and out. I'm Miles Borchik. Have a fantastic day.